Hey everyone! In 2026, N8n's native Jira node is the fastest way to build custom automations that Atlassian's built-in tools just can't handle. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to get your credentials set up and your first workflow running. Let's jump into N8n. Step 1. Generate your Atlassian API token. First, you need to give N8n permission to talk to Jira. Log in to your Atlassian account and go to Security, then API Tokens. Click Create API Token, give it a label like N8n Integration, and copy that token immediately. Keep it safe, you won't be able to see it again. Step 2. Set up credentials in N8n. Now, head over to your N8n dashboard. Go to the tab on the left and click Add Credential. Search for Jira Software Cloud and select it. Enter your email address, paste the API token you just copied, and enter your Jira domain, which is usually https://yourcompany.atlassian.net. Hit Save and make sure the connection status turns green. Step 3. Add the Jira node to your canvas. Time to build. Open a new workflow and click the plus button. Search for the Jira node and drag it onto the canvas. In the node settings, select the credential you just created. Under Resource, you can choose what you want to work with, like Issue, Project, or User. For this example, we'll stick with Issue. Step 4. Configure the action. Now, tell the node exactly what to do. Under Operation, choose an action like Create or Update. Select your project from the dropdown and pick an issue type like Task or Bug. You can now use expressions to pull in data from previous nodes, like a Slack message or a Typeform entry, to automatically fill out the summary and description. Step 5. Test and activate. Finally, let's make sure it works. Click the Execute node at the top right. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message and a new ticket will instantly appear in your Jira backlog. If it looks good, hit the Activate toggle at the top of the screen to start running your automation in the background. And that's it. You've officially connected your project management to your automation engine. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.